there. I'm going to share my favorite breakfast with you, even though you didn't ask. So, I take old-fashioned oats. You can use any brand. I take a half a cup and I put it in a bowl, like that. Then I take some ground cinnamon. Again, you can use any brand. And I take it, and I like a lot of cinnamon. I sprinkle it in there. Then I mix it up with my clean hands. Then I take some walnut baking pieces. You can use any brand again. Take a handful. And I put them in, and I mix them up. Then I cover it. I don't measure the water. I just cover it so that it's all under the water. Put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Zap. Take it out. I take some butter, some real butter. I like real butter. I mix it up. Then I take some brown sugar and I sprinkle it on top. I let it kind of melt down in there, mix it up, and that's what I eat for my breakfast. So I hope you're having a really good day. Bye-bye.